All right, everybody, we just want to explain to you guys something about the batch codes that we use and that we implement. In essence, every single makeup lot that we produce will have its own unique batch code. The first 3 letters are representative of the manufacturer. The following 3 digits are the quantity, and then the following numbers are the date in which it was produced. So as you can see here, this is a Maybelline mixed makeup lot of 100 units that was produced on June 2nd of 2020. Something important to realize is that every production varies. So, you know, although you're seeing this video for this production and you may have seen this unboxing, the current stock on the website or that you're purchasing may vary. So the contents of the box will vary, but we always keep the same high level of value, high level of quality, and try to keep the variety the same. We understand that you guys are looking for a good mix between eyes, lips, face, and nails. You know, nails being the one that you guys want the least typically. So we always try to keep the high value products equally or proportionate and as fair as possible to make sure that our customers are getting the highest variety, highest value makeup lots, you know, in the market. We wanted to show you guys what it means when we say factory cased, and we're going to do it with an example of factory cased Maybelline mascara, particularly the model that we sell the most, which is waterproof classic black. So basically, as you can see, this is your factory case, still sealed from when we received it from the manufacturer. This case contains 72 units, all of the same product. The 72 units come in inner packs of 6. Okay, so each one of these little boxes has 6 units inside of it. As you can see, this is what it looks like once you open it up in here. This, and of course we have the brand new packaging. So we can sell this by the case, by the pallet, or if you really need a full container, a full truckload, we can also meet those demands. This is as fresh as it gets. If you need to request batch codes, you're absolutely encouraged to. We have all that information ready at hand. We want to take this opportunity to show you guys some of the peculiarities with liquidation products. If you've never bought any kind of makeup that comes from liquidation, closeouts, shelf pulls, or anything of the sort, we just wanted to take this opportunity now that we were showing the CoverGirl latest production to show you some typical instances of what liquidation can be like. I'm going to show you guys, this is probably one of the most typical circumstances, which is basically you see an item that has a retail sticker from the store that it was for sale at. Basically, with liquidation, due to a number of reasons, manufacturers require that the retailers pull and cycle the products off the shelves. Could be change of season, could be new packaging being rolled out, a lot of different reasons. And this is one example that you can see of a product that, again, so this is from liquidation, it's still sealed and everything, but it has a retail sticker. Then we have some other instances, for example, where, you know, we have the same exact lipstick or same exact product, in this case a mascara, where when we receive these, you know, we may receive a part of them that are coming on the card, but the blister pack is actually separating. So what we end up doing is we end up actually fully removing it from the blister pack. The product is still in good condition. We throw away the cardboard and the blister because it's obviously damaged, and then we still use the product. I'll go ahead and open this one just for illustration purposes, even though we don't typically do this, just so that you guys can see that the product is still good. It's a little hard in this video, but... And then another instance of product out of packaging. Again, this is an eyeliner. Different shades in this instance, but again, blister packs get damaged very easily during the reverse logistics process. So, you know, the product is still good. And then also wanted to show you guys a lipstick. So with lipsticks, we actually do inspect them. And as you can see with this, it's been touched a little bit. The tip got smashed on the cap. But as you can see, the product is still in good sellable condition. This is something that we consider sellable, and this will be included in the mix. Also, this is another product that, you know, this is a product that doesn't come carded. It's typically on the shelf in some kind of a little stand of sorts, and as you can see here, may be a little tough to see, but the plastic just shows little signs of wear from the handling, again, of the reverse logistics process. This product wasn't purchased, it wasn't sold in any way. This was just something that's flowed through the entire cycle, really.